Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of NetBeans IDE, that is NetBeans IDE version 28 on Windows operating system. So now to install NetBeans IDE, it is very important to have Java installed on your system. So for that I have already made a video on how to install latest version of Java, that is Java JDK 25 on a Windows operating system. So please do follow this video to know how to install latest version of Java. Once you have Java installed, it's time to install NetBeans IDE. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here NetBeans download. Hit enter. So that will show you this Apache NetBeans releases. So just click on that link. So that's going to show you this page. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you will get a download button. So just simply click on that download button. That's going to redirect to this page. Here under installer and packages, you will see these Codeladity packages. So just simply click on that. Again, this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. It is very important to land over here. Once you are here, you need to scroll down and you will get these links over here. So depending upon what operating system you are using, Windows, Mac OS, you need to switch to Linux, you need to switch to all that. For Windows, I'm going to just simply click on this Apache NetBeans 28 plus Java JDK 25. So just simply click on that. That's going to immediately start downloading your latest version of Apache NetBeans version 28. I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here is our Apache NetBeans version 28. So just simply double click on that installer. You're going to minimize your download directory. You're going to ask if I administrative privileges. Click on yes, and our Apache NetBeans is rightly opened. Here you need to just simply click on next. So it's telling me that I have to create a desktop shortcut. Yes, we want. Click on next. Ready to be installed. Click on install. And our installation for Apache NetBeans IDE version 28 is rightly begun. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to install latest version of NetBeans. By the time it gets installed, I can request you to follow this complete WordPress tutorial, or if you're interested in Python. So for that also I have this courses, so you can always watch all these videos for completely free. You can see some of the videos or some of the projects that I have created on how to build a Python face detector in just 10 lines, or how to convert a text into a handwritten, or how to create this type of QR code, how to convert images to PDF, or how to build a resume builder. So I have showed you both in GUI and web-based projects, or even how to create a .exe app, then Python Flask app, or rock paper scissors game. So you can watch all these videos for completely free, and best part is detailed source code are also available on all these articles that I have written. So for example, for this project, not only just detailed article, you can get the detailed source code also here. So you can take advantage of all this material that I am providing. And if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also you get this playlist. I'm sure you're going to love them. So you can see that our Apache NetBeans is rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. So just launch Apache NetBeans, rightly selected, click on finish. That's going to launch our Apache NetBeans. It's rightly started opening, and our Apache NetBeans is rightly open. You can maximize this. So here you can create a new project. So for that, just simply click on new project. That's going to open this new project window. I'm going to create a Java with Ant project, and I'm going to select this Java application and click on next. So it's going to start configuring our Java cluster. Let's wait for a few seconds over here, and you can see that our name and location rightly open. Here you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as hello all, and they can keep all other things as a default. And I'm going to also select this create a main class. Alright, so just simply click on finish. That's going to start creating our project. Here is our project rightly opened. So class hello all. And then we have a public static void main string args, and here it is telling to write your code. And if you see on the left panel, we have this project of hello all. So when you expand this, you will get source packages and libraries. So when you expand the source packages, you get this package of hello all, and then when you again expand this, you will get hello all.java file. So that exact file is already opened over here. Here just simply hit enter and just simply type system.out.println, and within bracket just simply type hello world. Alright, so just end with a semicolon. So that should be printing hello world right on your console. So just simply click on this run button. that's going to immediately start building your project. And when it gets done, it's going to show you the output hello world on your console. You can clearly see it is showing you that. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of NetBeans IDE and you can start working on your Java projects. Please to follow this WordPress tutorial and cool Python projects courses. I'm sure you're going to love them, and in future I'm going to post a lot of video tutorials, so please do subscribe. They're going to really motivate me to make more the similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.